booty call you? Are you, like, starstruck because I'm here?
That's right. Come on, gay go.
What am I?
Come on, you two gay birds. Get your stuff ready.
Stop jerking your market.
Stop saying that.
I don't know why, but I like to say it, okay?
That was my phrase.
Yeah, well, stop jerking your market.
Hey, your friend's calling. Hello? Hey, 1 second. Here's Carrie.
Yellow?
Carrie thinks she's cool because she said yellow.
Yeah, are you going to
What?
tonight? What?
I think it's my bathing suit.
Ew. Oh.
Okay.
Put it in a bag. Ask Paula where a bag is.
I need a bag.
Bags. Put your stuff in your
That's a bad word. Do you have a bag? Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Do you have a bag?
Yeah. What kind?
Like a Zingo's bag?
Like these?
A
Yeah.
bag that's waterproof.
I'll
You got all
double
these?
bag it.
Double bag it.
What do you got?
Double bag it.
Yeah, she got, hey, by the way, you're supposed to bridge that up after you open it.
Oh, you are?
Fridge what up? Oh, that?
The iced tea?
Arizona.
A little something under the arm.
Apparently Arizona is bad. No, Snapple is bad for you. I don't remember who told me that. That was a spaz attack. Wait, when did you open it?
Today.
Oh.
What's it say? Refrigerate after opening. Oh.
So you must refrigerate Arizona.
Just open it today. And it's cool in here.
Look at the water. Real quick, just look at the water.